Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Beautiful latest mini crochet flower pots are creative and decorative way to combine your crochet skills with gardening, and they are typically made by crocheting a cover or cozy for an beautiful plant pot. How you can make one latest beautiful crochet include lacy and open work stages, while others are more solid and function style, and so different and latest crochet flower pots cozy and add charming and personalized touch to your indoor and outdoor garden styling and window wall styling. Different ideas and different colors. Get creative with colors and design to match your decor or creative unique gifts for friends and family members. Different and latest ideas. So guys, please keep sharing, watching my video, and see this video till the end. Mention me comment section for your feedback and response. So take care and bye bye. See you soon. I'm back.